All right, imagine this. One day, astronomers spot something flying through our solar system. Not from here, not from any known planet, but from another star. They call it an interstellar object. The first one was named Oumuamua. The second, Borisov. The third one, the next one right now, is called as 3I. Right? Now, here's the weird part. The first one, Oumuamua, behaved nothing like we had ever seen before. It was not a comet, no tail, no dust, no smoke. But somehow it sped up after passing the sun, like something invisible was pushing it. Right. So scientists scratched their heads. Some said maybe it was the gas escaping. Others said maybe it's made of some ice that evaporates invisibly, right? But one scientist said, what if it's a light sail? Right? A light sail means something so thin and so shiny that sunlight itself can push it, like how wind pushes a kite, right? Here, the light is the wind, right? So when I heard that, it instantly reminded me of something from our own ancient stories, the Vimanas. If you have heard or read the Ramayana, or heard your grandparents talk about these ancient gods, right? You know, Vimanas were these flying objects. It's pretty light, brilliant, silent, and able to go anywhere. They would they must have said that they shone like a crystal, or they did not have flapping wings, they did not throw smoke, they just moved. So does that sound familiar? Moving at a will, you think left, it goes left, right. So now I'm not going to say 3i is a Vimana from our scriptures, but think about it. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors described bright, self-moving objects in the sky. Today, scientists see strange visitors from deep space that move as if they are powered by light. Maybe both were trying to describe the same thing in the language that they understood. So, if we ever discover 3i, the next interstellar visitor, and it behaves like Omama, not no gases, no tail, yet somehow moving as if the light carries it, then maybe we will have found what the ancient called a Vimana, a body of light traveling between worlds, right? So, no, we don't know that yet. But if one day we look up and see a silent object drifting through across the stars and not falling, not burning, not gliding, or not glitching, right? So maybe that's when we realize that our old stories were not just myths, they were memories. So could 3i be a Vimana? Let me know. Thank you.